Introducing the ultimate guide to a healthy lifestyle. Eating well, moving more, and embracing happiness. Achieving a healthy lifestyle is within your reach, and we're here to show you how. It all starts with eating well. Nourish your body with wholesome foods that fuel your energy and boost your mood. From vibrant fruits and vegetables to lean proteins and whole grains, we'll provide you with delicious recipes and smart tips for making healthy choices. But eating well is only part of the equation. Moving more is essential for a strong and fit body. Discover fun and effective workouts that get your heart pumping and your muscles toned. Whether it's jogging, dancing, or trying new fitness trends, will inspire you to embrace an active lifestyle. And let's not forget about embracing happiness. Prioritize self-care and find joy in everyday moments. Cultivate gratitude, practice mindfulness, and surround yourself with positive influences. Our guide is your roadmap to a well-rounded, healthy lifestyle. Start nourishing your body, moving more, and embracing happiness today.